Hey, future Chinese speakers, I'm your Chinese teacher. Learning Chinese can seem tough, and the only word you know is ni hao. But I'm here to show you that it's not only possible, it's incredibly fun and rewarding. I'm going to take you from HSK 1 to HSK 6, but this requires a willpower and dedication from you. So if you're ready, then let's dive into it.
Let's start with the most basic words Chinese speakers use daily. We have the first word, shu, which means to be in English. Something that makes Chinese easier than other languages like English and Arabic is that the verb remains the same even in different tenses. We find that the verb to be in the past simple takes the form was and were. In present simple, it changes to the form am, are, and is. But in Chinese, all this doesn't matter, because let's take for example the verb chu, which means to eat. In the past, it becomes吃了. So the verb doesn't change. We only add an article that indicates a specific tense, and we're going to study that when it's time for it. Now let's learn the personal pronouns. To say I in Chinese, we use 我. So to say I am, we say 我是. To say you in Chinese, we say 你. So to say you are, we say 你是. To say we in Chinese, we say 我们. So to say we are, we say 我们是. The word 们 sometimes indicates the plural when it comes after the word. For example, if we wanted to say you for plural, we would say 你, and we add the word 们 that indicates the plural. So it becomes 你们. Let's take some drinks in Chinese and the verbs that come with. When you want to order something, you say I want. In Chinese, to want is yao. So 我要 stands for I want. Tea in Chinese is cha, which means if you wanted tea in a Chinese restaurant, you would say 我要茶. Water in Chinese is shui. So if you were thirsty and wanted some water, you would simply say 我要一杯水. Don't freak out. 一杯 stands for a cup of, like in the sentence, a cup of tea. We're going to say 一杯茶. No need to remember it now because we're going to study it later. I hope this was clear and easy for you to understand. If not, leave me a comment where you tell me the problem and I will try to fix it. Now it's time to listen to a story that contains the words we've learned. Try to pay attention very well so that you can answer the questions correctly. The thing that I wanted to mention is, don't get mad if you didn't understand something. That's the start only, where everything seems to be weird and unclear. It's totally normal. Just revise and practice what I'm teaching you. And I promise you that Chinese will be a piece of cake for you. Now, let's hear the story.
你好，女士，请你要什么？
你好，请我要一杯茶和一杯水，谢谢。
你还要其他东西吗？
不要，谢谢，就这样。
好的，请等一下。你好，女士，请你要什么？
你好，请我要一杯茶和一杯水，谢谢。
你还要其他东西吗？
不要，谢谢，就这样。
好的，请等一下。
Now it's time for a quick quiz to test you. If you answered the majority of the questions, then congratulations. You can revise the words that you've learned and pass to the next video. And if you didn't, it's okay. You can re-watch the video again, because that's totally normal. Now, let's start. The quiz is that I will let you hear an audio spelling a word, and your job is to guess which word was pronounced among the other words.
我喜欢吃苹果。我喜欢吃苹果。我喜欢吃苹果。 我喜欢吃苹果。这本书是我的。这本书是我的。这本书是我的。这本书是我的。
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you loved it, don't forget to encourage us by liking and subscribing. That would mean a lot to me. I will put a PDF in the description below, so don't forget to check it and revise it later. See you in the next lesson, and keep it up!